the camera's pointed in a different direction this time, because the Ruroc helmet that I was using, well, there's nothing wrong with the helmet, but the mount itself, that's specific for the GoPro, what a piece of crap. I paid, I don't know how much money for that thing, and it's barely hanging on by a thread now. I'm not going to risk my GoPro dropping and take that on a ride anymore, so I just set up this helmet. It's a HJC I70 whenever I ride now. I got my Senna. I can hear my Senna pretty clear, so I hope the audio on the GoPro's coming out good. I know before with this helmet I was having audio issues. Yeah, once I get to the first destination, I'll have to swap out the batteries, because today it's not going to be like a short ride like I usually take. It's actually going to be a pretty good ride. Of course, for you guys I'll edit it down, but it'll only seem like 10 minutes, but it's going to be a pretty good ride. I don't have the, you could probably tell, I don't have the camera mounted directly in front anymore. I have it off to the side. And I know watching other YouTubers that I do prefer the way it looks when it's right on the chin. You get a better point of view. But like I said, I'm not going to risk using that Ruroc helmet anymore. I'm never gonna buy that Ruroc helmet again, to be honest. It was a really good light helmet, I guess, but expensive as hell. Well, I'm happy I can hear my Senna perfectly fine on this freeway. Fancy pants land over here. A nice church. Yeah, I already know. I said it back there on the freeway, but I'm going to say it again because I don't know if the audio picked up. But I'm going to have to put the camera right here. Because like when I looked over at that church, I doubt you guys could even see it. Who knows, maybe you can. Yeah, anybody watching that is part of the court system, yeah, you guys need to like when you summon people for jury duty, you need to provide further notice, man. This upcoming camping trip that I have next week, it might be thwarted because I got a jury summons. I'm trying to reschedule it, but damn, that sucks. And it's not like I don't check my mail. I check my mail, if not every day, every other day at least. And yeah, I didn't get it. I didn't get a notification until the end of the week. And I had booked my my stay at the state park weeks prior, so I'm a little ticked off at that. The jury, I don't know what you call it, the jury system or whatever, they need to step their game up. See if we pick that up.
Did you just soil yourself?
Maybe.
I don't know if this is considered Texas Hill Country or not, but it's rural Texas. It's outside of San Antonio. Once I get off on this highway here, should be a really nice ride. don't know if you can see my screen here, but I'm listening to the chats again. I haven't downloaded their other albums yet. I will probably do that this afternoon. Can't say enough how much I love this album. I've basically been playing it on repeat ever since I downloaded it last week. What's cool about this helmet too is it's literally like more than half the price of that Ruroc, but it has a sun visor. You guys can't see it, but it has a sun visor. Like even though the visor's closed, there's another little internal one. Ruroc for a $500-600 helmet, they couldn't even provide that. Come on. Look at that. That is beautiful. This is a really nice ride. I'm gonna have to do this more often. Come out here. I don't know what you would call this area. Rural Texas, I guess. It's just outside of San Antonio. One thing I noticed ever since I moved out to Texas from California, in the fall there is a shitload of bugs. Like to the point I won't be riding towards the end of October, beginning of November. It's gonna be too not really cold, but the weather, like usually the wind picks up that time of the year. Who knows, maybe I will be riding. But besides the wind, there is a shitload of flying bugs. And I don't mind bugs, but dear God, the visibility it's actually, it reduces your visibility because there's just so many of them. Okay, I'm gonna find a place to pull up over here, change this GoPro battery, and then plan out a route to get home. I don't want to take the freeway home. Oh, I guess I can keep going, never mind. Yeah, I'm really using my GPS this time because I don't know these roads. And I brought my drone along just in case. I doubt I'll be able to use it, that is, but I brought it. Maybe there's like a public park or something up here. Unfortunately, a lot of the land in Texas is private, so you can't fly your drone. Let's open up these vents and see how the sound is still. Oh man, this helmet has really good airflow compared to the Ruroc. And again, more than half the price. Ruroc is like Apple products. You're just paying for the name. I'll never waste my money on that shit again. Although it is very light. On the trip to California, it was pretty good. Also, I switched to these fingerless gloves. That way I could touch my screen. The other gloves, they're supposed to be made for screen. No, they don't work. Maybe I didn't get the correct size. I don't know. They don't work whenever I try to touch the screen. I forget the name of them. I think they're like Revit brand. They're a really good glove, don't get me wrong, but yeah, if I want to use my screen, no. There we go, 289, that's what I'm talking about, boy. Pretty good ride today. Thanks for joining me, everybody. I'll take video if I can of the camping trip next week, unless I get someone to